In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a carousel in Webflow in just 5 minutes. Carousels are a great way to showcase multiple pieces of content in a compact space. They are visually dynamic and can make your website look more interactive and engaging. Now, let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to log into your Webflow account, so make sure you've got your credentials handy. Once you've logged in, head over to your Webflow dashboard. This is where all your projects are neatly organized, making it easy to manage and select the one you want to edit. Now, find the project you want to add your carousel to. Once you've selected the right project, you'll enter the Webflow Designer. This is where the magic happens. Look towards the left of your screen and click on the Add panel, identifiable by that little plus icon. From here, you'll want to locate the slider component. This is what you'll use to create your carousel. Simply drag and drop it onto the page in the exact spot you want your carousel to appear. It's as easy as that. Initially, your slider will come with 2 default slides. These are a great starting point, but you might want more to fully showcase your content. Don't worry. It's straightforward to add more slides. Just click on the Add Slide button located within the slider settings, and you're good to go. Next, let's move on to customizing each slide. You'll probably want to add images, text, or perhaps a combination of elements to each slide. Use the Style panel to adjust the appearance, giving your carousel a look that matches the rest of your design. It's an opportunity to let your creativity shine and ensure each slide stands out while still fitting cohesively with your overall theme. After you've arranged your slides, we can move on to the settings for animations and navigation options. The slider settings offer flexibility in choosing how your carousel behaves. Decide on the animation type, whether it's a slide or fade, and select the appropriate easing and duration for transitions. Additionally, you can choose how users navigate through the carousel, whether with arrows, dots, or another method that best suits your site's interface. Finally, if you wish to create an infinite scrolling carousel, a popular choice for seamless browsing, you can enable the infinite loop setting within the slider settings. This feature keeps your content cycling continuously, giving your users a never-ending flow of information. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to incorporate a carousel into your Webflow project, making your website more dynamic and engaging. Feel free to experiment with different settings and styles, and soon you'll be creating carousels that mesmerize your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.